Getting the script hook V critical error in GTA 5 and stuck on the loading screen. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix it and get back into Los Santos without breaking a sweat. Let's dive in. The most common cause of this error is using an outdated version of script hook V. Here's how to update it. Visit the official script hook V website or a trusted modding source. Download the latest version of script hook V. Extract the downloaded file using WinRAR or 7-zip. Copy the files scripthookv.dll, dinput8.dll, and nativetrainer.asi from the extracted folder. Paste them into your GTA 5 main directory where GTA5.exe is located. The error can occur if your game is updated but script hook V isn't. Here's what to do. Open Steam or the Rockstar Games launcher. Verify that your GTA 5 game is up to date. If there's an update, download and install it. Reminder, script hook V might not immediately support the latest game update. If this happens, wait for a compatible version, and that's it. These steps should fix the script hook V critical error in GTA 5. If this video helped you, hit the like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more gaming fixes. Thanks for watching.